Manipurgi wangmada mahai tamba khaktana afaba Maheiroi oigani haiba leite. Punsida afaba Maheiroi natraga mai pakpa mi ama oigi hairabadi hotnaba kanbagi tangai fadaba lei haina Minority Affairs OBC amade SC gi Commissioner Armstrong pamena fongdorakli. Kwangpokpi District ke Mapau Zintung Khulenda leiba Needy Home Academy ke Kulhumdoi suba Arts and Literary Meet ke Thoramda Wafamase Mahakna Fongdokibani. The role of Christianity and morality in education haiba thimda pangthokpa thoram aduda Armstrong pame na hai school da topper tare haiduna laithokpa tawroidabani. Maheiroi singna khunai asida achangba fida ama fangnaba hotnagadabani. Hotnaba kandraba amade thawai yaudrabade mai pakpa mi amamam kaidongnungda oiba ngamloi. Manipurgi wangmada chatlaga mahai tamba khaktana mai pakpa mi oiba natte. Hotnaba bukallabade adumak mai pakpa ngamgani. Oja Singh nasu Maheiroi Singda kupthana takpi tambibage tangai fadaba lai haina mahakna haikhe.
To be able to grasp all of this opportunity, you have to work really, really hard. Don't think that by being the first position holder in your school, you are the best. No. See, Armstrong Pame. Okay, the boy standing here. I was the best student when I was giving my class 10 in Tamenglong. Okay? One of the brothers here from Tamenglong will know. I have done very well in school. But you know what? When I went to Shing at St. Edmund's College, I sat amongst 100 plus people. I did not understand what the teachers were teaching. Because all other students were better than me. Amongst them, so many Bengali students. Then I said, okay, I've got to work hard. I really studied hard.
Thoramaduga Mari Lenana Dhanamanjuri University ki Associate Professor Arambam Noni Nahai. Manipur gi irang ase horokpa matamda school asida furuk khudingmakke Maheiroi Singh amato oina mahai taminarami. School asida tamliba Maheiroi Singh ase talent yamna leibada natana tungi achangba yumbirel singni. Aikoi masal amaga gi marakta nushi chanana leiminnaba nanaba hotnagadabani. Classroom ase Maheiroi Singhna mahai tampham amakhak oina ubadi langani. Classroom haibase tungda kari oirakpa yabage haibadu khantanabage mafam amasu oiribani. Malemgi lairiba fibam amade awonba kaya ase munna yengba changi tunglam chatta mai pakke khallabade mayai kaba chinjaktagi lapthokna leigadabani hainasu mahakna makhatana fongdokhi.
My dear friends, I just want to underscore one important point for you today. Education, of course, we have been informed and told on and off that it is a process of learning. But at the same time, I want to add on one more important point, that is, education is also about de-learning. Right? De-learning of what? Hatred. You have to de-learn hatred. You have to learn loving each other. You have to, be hopeful. You don't have to be always pessimistic about your society, your worldviews. If you see all these things, I think we have to move far beyond the conventional design of education, where we thought that it is all about getting good degrees and good marks. Not really so.